so pretty.
Oh, she is pretty, isn't she? Let me turn this light on, okay?
So pretty.
That's nice of you to say that.
Mommy's pretty too.
Mommy is pretty too, isn't she? Look, I have this blanket wrapped up here so she can rest her head. What do you think about that?
I don't know. But see, when she grows up, she will play Mario.
She will.
She won't sleep anymore.
She won't.
But I don't know.
You can kiss her if you want to. That was nice. You're a good big brother. Now can I have a kiss? Woo! And on the lips. I love you. Can you scoot back in the middle and show me how you do that?
What?
Yeah, scoot back so I can get you on this.
What, this one?
Yeah, scoot back that way and do it.
This way?
Yep, right there. Do it right there. Woo-hoo!
Whoa. Michael Jackson. Whoa.
Good job.
Oh. My kiss her.
I will kiss her. Go pick her up.